Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 12th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2022. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Southern appetizer, and it's also in my cookbook. We're going to make deviled eggs. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. They're bomb.com delicious, flavorful, and we're going to top them with crunchy sweet pickles. How yummy does that sound? And if you're hosting a Thanksgiving potluck, these would be perfect and also great for your Christmas parties coming up. You can serve these any time of the year. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my shrimp deviled eggs recipe, my fried deviled eggs recipe, and my previous video, vegetarian southern collard greens. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your egg platter, your sweet relish, and get your eggs boiling sugar, because we're about to make some deviled eggs magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my medium saucepan filled with water, I have my fire over high heat. I have 8 large eggs, and all we do is bring them to a boil. Alright, my friends, our eggs has came to a boil, so all we do now is cut the heat off. Going to cover the pot. Remove it from the burner. And we're going to let the eggs sit in the water for 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 15 minutes, so now we're going to remove the lid. And over here in my large bowl, I have some ice water. We're going to remove the eggs from the pot and place them into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. So we're going to let them sit in there until they're nice and cool. Alright, my friends, our eggs is nice and cool. So now I'm going to take them out the ice bath. So now it's time to take the shell off. Going to roll it down like a basketball. Just like that. And you see how easily the shell come off of it. And then if the shell won't come off, you can always stick it back in the ice water and it'll come right off. Beautiful hard-boiled egg. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cracking my other eggs and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my shells off. And off camera, I placed the egg yolks into my bowl and then I placed the egg whites onto my egg plate. So I have one egg here. Gonna cut it in half. Like so. Beautiful yolk. And that's how you make hard-boiled eggs. Simple and easy. So now I'm gonna place the other yolk in with the others. And using a fork, we're just gonna mash up the yolks real fine. Alrighty, I got all my yolks mashed. Now we're ready to make the filling. We're going to add in some kosher salt and white pepper, or you can use black pepper to taste. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of Miracle Whip, or you can use real mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And 1½ tablespoons of Sweet Pickle relish, and I drained the juice. And give this a quick stir until everything is well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my filling. Now we're ready to scoop them into our egg whites. We're going to take a dollop of the filling, just like that. And then we're going to place them on top, like so. And also you can pipe them if you like. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the filling in them, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my yolks into my egg whites. So now there's a couple more things we got to add to it. A dusting of smoked paprika. And a sweet pickle right on top. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Southern deviled eggs. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Creamy and just melts in your mouth. And I love that crunch from the sweet pickles. These are some amazing deviled eggs, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Deviled eggs, delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Thanksgiving.